Hey everybody, Rob D'Alessio, friend of the show, Angel Moreno. We're at Mondo's Pizza in beautiful Aurora, Colorado, right outside of Denver. Today, we're doing a Brooklyn pizza. All kinds of awesome meats and flavors. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to Taste of Retirement. Thanks for joining us, and if you're new to the show, be sure to like and subscribe our page. I've got friend of the show, Angel Moreno, with us. Today what we're gonna do is a traditional Brooklyn-style pizza, which is near and dear to my heart. That's where I was born. All right, how do we get started?
All right, we're gonna start with dough. We're gonna stretch it. We're gonna look for the 14-inch pizza. So once you get the rim, you're just gonna stretch a little bit. There you go, one more time. And one more time. And there you go.
You all do not want me doing that. It'd be all over the wall. All right. What do we have?
So we're gonna start with our Mondo's pizza.
So that's a sauce that you guys make here in-house, right?
We make in-house every day.
So you buy like a tomato sauce from really good California tomatoes?
We do. We just buy the base and we add everything else.
Okay, perfect.
Yep. So we, go ahead.
No, and you guys, you want to use really good ingredients here. If you want a really good pizza, you need to buy really good ingredients. If you chimp on the ingredients, you're not gonna have as good a pizza.
All right, next we're gonna start with mozzarella cheese. There you go.
This is that low skim, or part skim, low moisture mozzarella that you shred here in-house, right?
That's right. Next is gonna be spicy Italian sausage.
I love those large chunks. You can really taste the fennel when you're biting into that.
That's what we're looking for, to be honest, the fennel and the spiciness and the sausage. Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
We're gonna do pepperoni. We're gonna cover the entire pizza. Next is gonna be salami. There you go.
And who doesn't love? I mean, it's all these Italian meats. How do you not love this?
We're gonna cover the entire
we don't even want to see the cheese.
You're right. And we're gonna finish with a spicy capicola ham right on top of it.
This is my favorite. So it is ham, but they've got capicola. If you don't like the spice of the capicola, you could do maybe soppressata or something else, right?
Right.
Absolutely. Awesome. So that's done. We're gonna go into the oven, right?
Okay, let's go in the oven.
For this week's financial topic, the question that I see oftentimes right now are, what are the three biggest mistakes with portfolios of $500,000 or more? Or what do we see day in and day out? And basically what it is fee exposure, taxes, and risk. And just so you know, it doesn't matter if you have $100,000 in your portfolio or you have $1 million or more in your portfolio. If it's a lot of money to you, it's a lot of money. But with fees, with $500,000 portfolios or more, we'll see 2%, 2.5%, even maybe 3%. That could be $15,000 a year just to have that account. That's one of the largest disconnects we see day in and day out. On to taxes. Oftentimes, taxes aren't discussed with financial professionals or planned upon as you go into retirement. And I don't see how you could reasonably plan for your retirement if you don't know what your tax exposure is going to be as you go into retirement. And then lastly, risk. Risk is a big, big situation, and we oftentimes see that people have entirely too much risk in their portfolio for what they want the portfolio to do. So what you need to do is get with a financial professional, make sure that you're not exposed in those three areas, and your retirement could go the way that you want it to. Now, let's get back to the yummy stuff. All right, we got the pizza, we've got the oven. The oven's set at
500 degrees.
500 degrees. Again, we talked about it before, but they want to use a pizza stone. Preheat the oven for a good 30 minutes beforehand. We're gonna throw it in there, what, 10 minutes?
10 minutes, just about 10 minutes.
Let's get it done.
All right, let's do it. Gonna go right in the middle. There you go.
Just got out of the oven, piping hot, smells absolutely delicious. Brooklyn style pizza. Let's go ahead and cut this thing up and finish it.
There you go. Let's put it right there, and we're gonna finish it with fresh basil right on top of it.
Absolutely, fresh basil. You did a chiffonade on that basil. That's where you roll the leaves up, slice it really, really thin. It adds for a great garnish. Brooklyn pizza, looks absolutely amazing. There you have it, beautiful Brooklyn style pizza. Friend of the show, Angel Moreno, Mondo's Pizza, Aurora, Colorado, right outside of Denver. You've got to come to this place. If you missed his last episode, click this link right here. We'll show it to you. And if you missed others, subscribe to our page. I'm Rob D'Alessio, Angel Moreno, and this has been A Taste of Retirement.